What's its name?
Josey.
Josey. Oh, how old is it?
About 6 months old.
6 months. Oh, so tiny. Hello, Josey. Say hello to the world. Oh, she's so cute.
She is.
Is she full on to look after?
Oh, yes and no.
Yeah.
I mean, they're pretty easy to look after. It's just time consuming. You've got to give them lots of, feeds and take a lot of care with the feeds.
So at 6 months, how often do they feed?
5 times a day.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And she's
awake at night because they're...
no, she usually sleeps during the night. She's like a
normal baby.
Normal baby. She sleeps all night.
Awesome.
And I get up and feed her in the morning, and then
And how many do you get a week?
I get a lot of calls, but not at the moment. It's slowed down a little bit.
Yeah.
But yeah, through winter we got quite a lot of calls.
And her mum just was killed by a car, or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mum was killed, and then she skidded out from the pouch, and the lady who actually hit Mum saved her, saw her skidding across the ground or the gravel, and she came into me as a little velvet, so
no hair, just
little velvety, like very
just not fluffy,
like this,
just starting to get her fur.
So I've had her for a couple of months now. So.
You can't run away with it narrowly. And when you pull that face, people know what you're going to do.